Hello everyone, my name is Matthew Saloom, and today we'll be discussing topic A of critic assignment, which states, make a video explaining why the AD curve in the ADAS model slopes downward, then create an example where you use the ADAS model to understand how an event will impact the short-term and long-term effect on the economy. To answer the first part of the question, the ADAS model depicts the movement in real GDP and the price run in the short run. This relationship is calculated by using the formula real GDP, Y, is equal to consumption, C, plus government spending, G, plus investments, I, plus net exports, NX. Now, one person may ask, why is aggregate demand downward sloping? AD slopes downward since a fall in price level, deflation, increases total spending. Three effects cause deflation. The wealth effect, when prices fall, people become wealthier in real terms and increase spending. The interest effect, when prices fall, people hold less money, so interest rates fall. Lower interest rates encourage businesses and households to spend since borrowing is cheaper. And then we have finally the international trade effect, which is when prices drop, exports are relatively more affordable and imports are rather more expensive. Thus, exports rise, imports fall, and NX increases. To move on to the second part, I will create a makeshift demand side recession, which will shift the aggregate demand curve to the left. Let's say the government changes their fiscal policy and government spending has lowered by 5%. Due to the aggregate demand being affected, we will shift the demand curve to the left, causing the short-term equilibrium to be positioned higher on the price level and lower on the real GDP. In due time, the aggregate supply curve will shift to the right to counteract the positioning of the aggregate demand and ultimately bring it back to long-run equilibrium and the original position. Although this could take time without the help of the government, but with the help of policies, we would see this as a faster reactant than by itself. Thank you everyone for listening to my presentation. Have a wonderful day.